ever to get to San Francisco. At times, waiting, she'd almost decided just to take the horse and the mule and try to find her way back to Lonesome Dove. Xavier had said he would marry her and take her anywhere she wanted to go. She remembered the day he had come into the room, his wild eyes, his threat to kill Jake. When she had nothing to do but sit around and think about it, her capacity for mistakes discouraged her so that she considered drowning herself in the little pool. But it was a sunny, pretty morning, and when she went into the pool a little later, it was only to wash her hair in the cool water.
Is
For
this
a
thing
moment,
really
she
hunting, or is
put
it
her
just
head
having fun?
under and opened her eyes, but
Pleasure
it felt
combined.
silly. To
Fly.
die in such an element was only ridiculous. She began to wonder if perhaps she was touched, if that was why she made mistakes. Her mother had been touched. She often babbled of people no one knew. She talked to dead relatives, dead babies, speaking to them as if they were still alive. Lorena wondered if it was mistakes that had made her mother do that. Perhaps after so many mistakes, your mind finally broke loose and wandered back and forth between past and present. Lori, you look downcast, Augustus said. Not 4 or 5 days ago, you felt keen and looked more beautiful than the sky.
Filling up a bucket for
What's that
Santa.
scamp done to cause such a change? I don't know, Gus, Lorena said. Seems like I change every day. Oh, like most